How would you like to make money fast, alright? Especially when the times you urgently need money. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneurs since 2018 to build a lead generation system that generates them unlimited high quality leads. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any important video like this. Especially the time like this, right? Price increasing in foods, petrol is increasing, right? And this video I'm going to share with you what are the things that you can do if you urgently need money. Here's the thing, alright? I want to set a few rules. Let's say if you are someone who have basic skills, alright? Maybe you have basic selling skills, maybe you have basic social media posting skills, you know how to post something, you know how to type, you know how to chat with people, right? So all these are basic skills, and you don't need high income skills yet, again, in this video. So what I mean by high income skills, so like basically, let's say you are expert in closing sales, let's say you are expert in doing certain things, right? So this video I'm going to share with you, you are not expert yet, you also can do it, alright? This is the rule number one. So rule number two is, let's say if you don't have any capital, let's say don't worry, you don't need to sell all of your car, your furniture, you don't need to sell your house to make money fast, alright? This video I'm going to share with you what are the things that you can do, alright? So these are the two rules that I'm going to set, alright? When it comes to want to make money fast, urgently, again, this is not a get rich quick scheme, alright? So this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you want to make money fast, remember, let's say you don't have skills, the fastest way to make money is, again, not get rich quick, alright? Disclaimer, alright, is to do business consulting. Before you get shocked, right? Just now you tell me that you don't need any expert skills, right? So it's okay if you don't have any expert skills, you can use this as well, right? I learned this from 4-Hour Work Week book by Tim Ferriss. If you want to read that book, you can click the link anywhere in this video to buy that book, right? That book is very impactful. So 4-Hour Work Week. And I learned this concept very early in my career, but I didn't apply it until I have a mentor, right? And my mentor used this very well, so that's where I started to apply this. So let's say right now you don't have any skills, right? So you need to find out, okay, who are the people that who have problems and they have money, right? So you don't want to solve people's problems that they don't have money. This is very important. So let me tell you what is the definition of consultant before we move on, right? So a lot of people think about consultant is, hey, I need to do a lot of work. No, actually, consultant, their definition is very simple, right? Is to solve people's problems, right? So that's a consultant job, right? So your job as a consultant is to solve people's problem. And I want you to find people who have problems and have money, right? These are the two things that you need to identify before you reach out to that person, right? So let's say if like me, when I just getting started in digital marketing consulting business, I also think about this, alright? Business owner have money. What type of business owner? I make sure that niche have high profit margin, alright? So whatever I sell for this, I help this business generate sales, they have high profit margin. That's the first thing, alright? So that's why I usually reach out to local business, but the local business I'm targeting is chiropractor, physiotherapist that time, right? So when I reach out to them, right, I know that if I can get them 1 or 2 customers, so their lifetime value is very high. That's why I know that if I'm able to help this business get sales very fast, then I can get paid very fast, right? So basically, okay, but I'm going to teach you what in this video, right? I'm going to share with you, you don't need to perform first and you can get paid first, right? This is where you can make money fast, right? So you need to know this. If you find a person, alright, let's say if you are in a digital marketing niche like me, so let's say if you want to help a plumber, right? You need to know, this plumber have the money or not. If they have the money, okay, you need to know what the problem they are facing. So they are facing not enough customer and they don't have time to look for customer and their customer are not consistent, right? So basically your job is to provide solution. As a consultant, your job is to provide solution. What if you don't have any credibility, or what if you are totally new? Your job again is to find a solution for this person, right? Not necessarily you are the one who need to provide the solution. So that's the key, right? Earlier in my career, here's what I do, all right? I reach out to chiropractor and then I tell the chiropractor this. I know that social media can help you get more customer. Again, I didn't say I can help them get more customer. I tell them social media can help them get customer. Would you like to advertise your business on social media to get new customer consistently coming in? And these chiropractors say yes, all right? So once they say yes, and I take this business and I look for someone who already know how to help chiropractor get results, all right? So, and I look for this someone, I tell them, hey, I have this chiropractor, this is the budget and this is the result they want. Are you able to achieve this type of result? The time I reach out to my friend, because digital marketing network that I know a lot of people who done digital marketing service. So I reach out to my friend and I ask my friend, have you ever helped chiropractor get results before? And my friend say yes. So I take this chiropractor job, outsource. Alright, so I outsource. This is something I learned from the 4 hours work week. I outsource to this digital marketing agency, and this person help them deliver the service, and I discuss how much do we want to charge this, alright? And let's say I charge 3,000 per month, alright? And I reach out to the customer 3,000 per month, and then a chiropractor pay me, and let's say I split with this agency 50-50, right? So I take 1,500 per month. So instantly, within less than a week, I'm able to generate 1,500 per month, alright? So this is one of the fastest way that I see you can do to get customer, right? So if you don't know where to find customer, you just go to Google chiropractor in your location. And I tell you, you can find a lot of chiropractor in your solution. Let's say if you want to serve plumber in your location. So you go out there, you reach out to them, and you tell them their business can able to generate good results through social media, and you know someone who can help them. Would you like to advertise your business on social media? If they say yes, looking for someone. If you don't know someone, easy, you can go to Upwork. Alright, for me, I know a lot of people who do digital marketing. That's why I reach out to people who already done it, already have results. Alright, so if you don't have, you can go to Upwork, ask the people on Upwork. You ask them, have you ever done social media marketing for chiropractor or plumber? Do you have the result? If yes, I want to show my prospect the result so that we can seal the deal, alright? In order to do that, I need your help. I need your case study. I need your testimonial to show that we can help them get results in order to seal this deal, right? So this is how you do it. And you, as a middle person, you can generate income from there, right? So this is how you make quick money fast, alright? So, and this video, right, you see that they're thinking that, hey, why don't I just go for cryptocurrency, right? So in cryptocurrency, I can make money in few hours, right? So again, cryptocurrency, right, is not, you need to practice your skills very much, right? You need to know whether there's a trend, whether there is a uptrend or downtrend, right? So that's why this video, I purposely do it as if you are someone who have basic skill, you know how to message people, you know how to basic posting on social media. If you want to look for customer, right, you can join Facebook group and posting on Facebook group, right? Let's say if you join chiropractor Facebook group, you post, hey, I'm looking to help chiropractor move their business online. You are not saying you help, you are looking to help them, all right? So the way you help is you take the business, pass it to the solution provider, and solution provider do the job for you, right? So as a consultant, your job is like a middle person, link problems to a solution and get paid in between, right? So this is how you make money fast, all right? So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new video, all right? By the way, all right, so before you click close, by the way, if you want to work with me and my team to build a lead generation system for your business, you can click the link in the description box below, alright, and book a call with me and my team. So we are happy to help you and your business grow to the next level, generates unlimited high quality leads, alright? So take care and see you in the next video.